Good day everyone and welcome to Amsterdam. I just booked my tour today. So I'm just at the tour center right now and we're going to explore a little more of Amsterdam. So today we're going to do the countryside, the Windmill. It's about a 5.5 hour tour and it's about 2:45. Just gonna go grab a sandwich, we're gonna eat on the bus and drink something because I'm starving, and then I'll show you the tour. Also, if you do not want to miss one of my episodes, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell to get notified every time I upload a new content. All right, let's get started. So we just arrived at the Windmill. It smells amazing. It's like a cute little village. And there's a lot of smell of cheese. There's smells of chocolate here. So let me show you a little bit around. It's like the perfect little village. It's super cute as well. Now, did you know that during the 17th century, more than 600 windmills were constructed in the area, creating the first industrial zone? The windmills were used, among others, to grind spices, to produce paint, sawwood, and even make oil. A number of these windmills still exist and can still be visited today, and trust me, you do want to come here and see this. You can see how these wind power machine works inside and also out. Behind me, this is where they actually make the peanut oil. The windmill I'm actually in right now was built in 1607 and is actually used to make peanut oil. The windmill worker actually will walk you through all the steps and also what they do on a daily basis. So here's the first step.
Heating. And we have to heat crushed peanuts because the oil inside is very thick and want to get it to become more fluid so we can press it more easily. And the last step is pressing. Pressing is done in this big wooden press.
So I'll show you the model, the final result. So then now we're going to go up to the windmill to look outside. I'm just walking on the balcony of the windmill. It's a little narrow, but it's beautiful. The view is amazing here. Look at this. Alright, so this windmill here is actually cinnamon. So it actually smells like cinnamon. It's amazing. And I'll show you some product that we do sell here. Now we just got off the bus and we're just walking this little cute little village. I'll put the name at the bottom of the screen, and we're just going to see a cheese factory. Oh my god. If you ever tried the fries here in Amsterdam, the fries are amazing and they give you some good mayonnaise as well. The cheese factory Volendam is all-in-one museum and a cheese shop that can offer demonstration and cheese tasting. You will also learn a lot during the live presentation, like how the cheese was discovered, how many liters of milk you need to create the cheese. I didn't realize the work and the process to create cheese. So also feel free to ask any question to the team who works there. They're very knowledgeable and they can also give you the best recommendation of which cheese to buy. The shop is also the tasting room, so you can go ahead and try all of them if you like. Some will actually surprise you.
So it's actually we're in the tasting room. You can actually try all kinds of cheese. Well, oh my god, the smoked one is amazing. I don't like goat cheese, so I may not try it. But the smoked one, wow, amazing.
The cheese is also vacuum sealed, which is perfect for travelers, so your clothes will not smell like, well, cheese. The cheese can also stay outside of the fridge for up to 4 weeks. The shop is also great to buy jam, kitchen gadget, and also the perfect gift for that cheese lover. After some great shopping at the cheese factory, make sure you walk around the little town. They have more shops and also perfect places if you want to grab a bite or if you just want something sweet.
So when you're coming to Amsterdam, the one souvenir you should bring back if you want to buy something nice and sweet, these are fantastic. And it's easy also when you want to bring them back when you're traveling. And they're only 3 packs is 10 euros, so it's not bad.
Alright, I have to go in. The smell was just so inviting. So they have different type of waffles here as well. So actually ask the lady who worked there what she would recommend.
Okay, I don't know if I'm going to pronounce this correctly, but it's fruit waffles. And this is the one that she said she loved the most, so I'm going to give it a shot. Oh yeah.
And now for our next and last stop, we're taking a ferry boat to Marken. This cozy village is so charming. The walk is also really nice. Also give you a feel of what the small fishing town life used to be like.
So we just spent about 30 minutes on the ferry boat. Yeah, it's roughly about 30 minutes. Nice little ride. It was nice and sunny, so we sat on the top deck. We're just in this cute little residential area. And then we're going to the factory where they make the wooden shoes. So it'll be a lot of fun.
Once you arrive at the clog factory, they will do a small demonstration for you, showing you the full process of how the famous clog are made, from a block of wood to a shoe in just a few minutes. The classic Dutch clog covers most of the foot and is usually made of poplar or willow wood. Its sturdiness is so good, they're actually certified safety shoes. Quite amazing. Especially great for farmers to protect them from the cows stepping on their toes. Alright, now before you leave, make sure you try a pair. I have to say they're not easy to walk in, but they're actually more comfortable than I was expecting. And don't forget to buy yourself a souvenir. Many people actually buy the clogs and they use them as a planter box.
Alright, so the tour is over. We're just heading back. I was able to try some shoes, as you probably saw. Not easy to walk into, but it was cool. So it was really nice, good idea. Can actually protect your feet actually as well. So we're just heading back, just going back to my bus right now, and we're heading back into town, and then we're gonna go for dinner. So I hope you enjoyed.
I really hope you enjoy our episode today. Make sure you click subscribe to our channel. Be the first one to see my video. Like, share, and feel free to give me any feedback. I always love to hear from you guys. This is Sebastian for Jet Set. Thank you so much for watching. Safe travel, everyone.